YouTube, welcome back guys. So I just got this package that I purchased for the watch. This is 2 of the 5 pack Sony 377 LR626 SW, or equivalent to LR66 or AG4 or 376 or LR626 1.5 silver oxide battery watch. Okay, or you could also purchase this for your hearing aid. This one is a 10 pack. I only got it for $4.50, which is a pretty good deal. This is the Sony brand. So let's go ahead and check this one out. It's kind of ripped on the bottom here. I'm not sure what caused it. I think my invoice is in there. Let me check it out here. So it is tipped up like this. It says used by July 2019. So I have about, less than a year? So these are the 10 packs, okay? You want to buy like a name brand battery. I check out a review. This one is pretty good, and also the Duracell. And the Energizer, the rating wasn't that good. You got to be careful. Sometimes the sellers out there are selling the fake one or a copy of the batteries out there sometimes. Because the one time I purchased a battery, the Energizer one, and then it didn't last too long. And you got to be sure to look for the expiration date as well. So hopefully this is going to last longer, because I was looking at a review and a lot of people were, or the buyers were praising for this brand. So that's why I purchased this one, even though it costs a little bit more. So yeah, please be sure to like the video and then give a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and hit that bell for notification, guys. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, or you could drop any other comments on below. Alright? Peace.